Your next car could be the 2020 Dodge Journey. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Here's a versatile Dodge Journey that offers the family-friendly space and convenience you're looking for at a surprisingly affordable price. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, keyless start, backup camera, satellite radio, third-row seat, steering wheel audio controls, multi-zone AC, stability control. Convenient versatility meets impressive value in this well-equipped Journey. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.